tnad Excise ke sorkar Jylla Bah Kyrmen Shylla ulaong bada ke jingsdang mynta ban pynmih yaki Wain Soh ke wanrah Shibun ke jingmyntoi yaki nongrep Soh kiba baroh katta kila hab ban shui kumto lada Jylla Bah Kymla ban pynpoi shayau Khubor biang. Haba kren berkilat pathai Khubor Myntri ulaong ru Bah Jylla kan kyrshan yaki tu kiba kwah ban sedang yaka kam shna Wain Soh kabala sedang ban paunam Jylla.
To share with all of us, we have introduced this fruit wine in our state. So since that time, the reason of introduce this fruit wines in our state is to support the farmer. We have seen whatever they produce like fruits and all. Most of the time, it's a waste. They cannot reach to the market, and the market is not of the high value. So most of it, we can see maybe 50% of the fruits gone in veins, become rotten and is of no use. Since the time we have started this fruit wines. So we have seen most of the comments from the farmers. They utilize the fruits which they produce, and it can convert into wines. So it's of huge benefit. And with this, number one, we are proud to say that our farmers get benefits. And second, with this with that benefits and with the fruits, we got to make a wine where we can start showcase our wine not only in Meghalaya. We have to showcase it beyond Meghalaya. So now we are trying even to showcase it beyond the country with a few not all the wines, but those selected wines which are comparable with the other wines of the country. So that is how we are trying to promote wines. So it's of great benefits. Let's not look only benefits when it comes to the revenue generation. Let us look benefits, that how it gives the benefits to the farmers especially, and to our local people. So that is our motive actually.
When the government will promote our local wine, like
whichever way we can, when it comes to licensing and different paperwork, whichever way we can, we are here to support them as much as early as possible. This is our commitment to them. So as of now, I cannot tell you exactly what kind of support we can help them, but whichever way, when they come seeking for support from us, we will study it thoroughly, and based on that, if we see that this will be benefit to them, we will support them for sure.
So the government is also